Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Perkenalkan, nama saya Mutiardi Effendi dengan NIM 23042180. Saya berasal dari Prodi Ilmu Administrasi Negara. Video ini saya buat untuk memenuhi tugas dari mata kuliah Ekonomi Publik sesi 0163 yang diampu oleh Bapak I. Permana STMT. In this video, I will present my summary of one of the article entitled Greening the Economy Through Voluntary Private Sector Initiative or Government Regulation, a Public Opinion Perspective. Abstract. The journal article discusses the debate on whether voluntary initiatives from the private sector or stronger government regulation are more effective in greening the economy. Previous research has shown that public opinion plays an important role in this, as citizen preference become important for policymakers in a democracy. The method used is a combination of qualitative and quantitative research, with the aim of understanding public policy preference related to the role of the private sector and the government in environmental issues. The purpose of this journal is to investigate whether and how citizens' general attitudes toward the relationship between the private sector and the government can help explain their policy preference. Specifically, this journal wants to test the argument that citizens' perception and the synergistic or antagonistic private government relationship affects their support for voluntary private sector initiatives or government regulation in efforts to improve the environment. The document investigates whether and how citizens' general attitude towards the relationship between the private sector and the government can help explain their policy preference related to environmental regulation. This research urges that whether citizens view the state's private sector relationship as a synergistic or antagonistic has an effect on their support for self-regulation by the private sector or government regulation. The research findings in this article can be summarized as follows. 1. This research investigates whether and how citizens' general attitudes toward the relationship between the private sector and the government can help explain their policy preference in the effort to green the economy. 2. This research adjusts whether citizens view the relationship between the state and the private sector as synergistic or antagonistic will influence their support for self-regulation by the private sector of government regulation. 3. Based on a representative survey in Switzerland or an equal 1,677, it was found that citizens who view the state-private sector relationship in environmental policy as synergistic tend to support self-regulation by the private sector. In contrast, citizens who view the relationship as antagonistic tend to favor both self-regulation and government intervention. And 4. The research also found that view on whether companies are involved in self-regulation to gain competitive economic advantage separate perception of synergistic relationship between the state and the private sector. The conclusion from this research is the findings of this research are relevant to the ongoing debate around green economics, as policymakers in Europe and elsewhere are attempting to move beyond the business or state paradigm in environmental regulatory politics. Public preference for self-regulation or government intervention or influenced by citizens' general perception of the relationship between the private sector and the government. That's all my presentation this time. I hope what I convey is easy to understand, of course, can be useful for all my friends. Thank you, and I end with Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.